Imagine a machine the size of a car, more complex than a jet engine, built entirely out of snot. This isn't science fiction, it's the astonishing reality of the deep ocean, where life defies our wildest expectations. Prepare to dive into the wondrous world of an organism that constructs monumental structures under crushing pressure. A master architect with no brain, building a house it will abandon in mere hours. This is Bathochordaeus, the giant Larvacean. To the untrained eye, it might appear as nothing more than a translucent, tadpole-like creature barely 5 inches long. Yet, this unassuming organism is one of the most vital and sophisticated engineers in the entire ocean, performing a role critical to global ecosystems. Most deep-sea inhabitants are either patient scavengers, waiting for detritus to fall, or sit-and-wait predators, conserving energy in the nutrient-scarce abyss. The Larvacean, however, operates on an entirely different principle. It actively constructs a colossal, intricate filtration plant, a biological marvel that continuously cleanses the ocean's vast waters. This creature challenges our very understanding of biological complexity and engineering. It thrives in an environment where sunlight never penetrates, under pressures that would instantly flatten a submarine, and in near-freezing temperatures. Its existence is a testament to evolution's boundless creativity. The animal itself, the Larvacean, is remarkably small and delicate. Its soft, gelatinous body is highly vulnerable, making its survival dependent on an extraordinary external structure. This structure, its house, is secreted from specialized glands on its head. This house, a marvel of biological engineering, can reach an astonishing 10 feet across. To put that into perspective, it can be 300 times the size of the animal that built it, dwarfing its creator in a truly spectacular fashion. This scale difference is almost unparalleled in the animal kingdom. The material for this monumental construction is not bone or shell, but a protein-rich mucus. This isn't just any slime, it's a highly specialized biopolymer, a complex fluid that exhibits unique properties under the extreme conditions of the deep sea. Understanding its composition is a key area of scientific inquiry. The house is far more than a simple bubble. It's a sophisticated, multi-layered filtration system. It comprises 2 distinct filters, each designed for a specific purpose, demonstrating an incredible level of biological precision. The outer filter acts as a coarse sieve, designed to exclude larger debris. This includes particles up to the size of a small pea, preventing the delicate inner workings from becoming prematurely clogged. It's the first line of defense against the deep ocean's marine snow. The inner filter is where the true magic happens. This incredibly fine mesh is designed to trap microscopic food particles, such as phytoplankton and bacteria, which are scarce but essential nutrients in the deep. Water is drawn through both layers, concentrating the vital sustenance. The Larvacean's tail, a powerful muscular appendage, beats rhythmically within the house. This rhythmic motion creates a precise current, acting like a biological pump. It draws water through the outer filter, then the inner filter, and finally expels the filtered water, creating a continuous flow. This elegant design ensures maximum efficiency in nutrient extraction. Scientists are studying the fluid dynamics within these houses, hoping to glean insights for human-engineered filtration technologies. The Larvacean's system is a masterclass in microfluidics and passive filtration. For decades, the study of these elusive creatures was fraught with immense difficulty. Their houses are incredibly fragile. Any disturbance, such as contact with a research net or submersible, causes them to instantly collapse into an amorphous glob of slime. This made in situ observation nearly impossible. The breakthrough came in 2017 when scientists from the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, MBARI, deployed a revolutionary technology called Deep PIV, Particle Image Velocimetry. This system uses lasers to illuminate and map the intricate fluid flow patterns around and within the Larvacean's house, all without disturbing it. Deep PIV allowed researchers to finally visualize the invisible currents and filtration mechanisms in unprecedented detail. It revealed a design so exquisitely efficient that human engineers are now actively studying it for potential applications in water purification and microfluidic systems. This technology opened a new window into the secret lives of these deep-sea architects. The ability to observe these structures in their natural, undisturbed state was a monumental leap forward. It transformed our understanding from theoretical models to direct, empirical evidence, showcasing the power of innovative scientific instrumentation in exploring the unknown. The Larvacean's house functions as a living trap, a sophisticated biological vacuum cleaner. The rhythmic beating of its tail creates a powerful piston-like suction, drawing in vast quantities of marine snow. This marine snow is a continuous shower of organic detritus, including dead plankton, fecal pellets, and other biological debris, constantly falling from the sunlit surface waters to the abyss below. This constant downward drift of organic matter is the primary food source for most deep-sea ecosystems. The Larvacean, with its specialized house, efficiently intercepts and concentrates these scattered particles. It's a crucial link in the deep-sea food web, transforming diffuse organic matter into a concentrated food source. The rhythmic whoosh-whoosh of the tail, though silent to us in the deep, is the engine of this biological process. It's a testament to the power of simple, repetitive motion harnessed for complex biological functions. This continuous pumping ensures a steady supply of nutrients, even in the most barren environments. The efficiency of this snot trap is astounding. It allows the Larvacean to thrive in an environment where food is scarce, outcompeting many other filter feeders. This active feeding strategy is a key adaptation for survival in the energy-limited deep ocean. One of the most intriguing mysteries surrounding the Larvacean is the ephemeral nature of its magnificent house. The filters, despite their sophisticated design, inevitably clog with the constant influx of marine snow and debris. Once the house becomes too dirty or damaged, its filtration efficiency drops dramatically. The Larvacean doesn't attempt to clean or repair its house. Instead, it performs an astonishing feat of biological renewal. It simply exits its clogged dwelling. With a swift movement, it abandons the entire structure, leaving it to sink into the abyss. Within a matter of hours, sometimes less than an hour, the Larvacean begins secreting a brand new house from scratch. This rapid regeneration is an incredible biological capability, allowing it to maintain optimal feeding efficiency. The reproduction rate is truly mind-blowing, one new house per day. This constant cycle of construction and abandonment is energetically costly, yet it's a highly effective strategy for survival in the deep. It ensures the Larvacean always has a pristine, fully functional filtration system, maximizing its ability to capture scarce food resources. The deep ocean is an environment of profound extremes. At depths of 1,000 meters, where Bathochordaeus often resides, the water temperature hovers just above freezing. More remarkably, the pressure is immense, reaching 100 times that of the surface atmosphere. This crushing force would instantly obliterate most surface organisms. How does a liquid-based structure, a house made of mucus, maintain its shape and integrity under such immense pressure? This question remains a significant scientific puzzle. The biopolymer stability of the Larvacean's mucus is truly extraordinary. Scientists hypothesize that the mucus is not a simple gel, but a complex fluid with unique rheological properties. It may be designed to stiffen or become more resilient under pressure, or its internal structure might be reinforced at a molecular level. This is an active area of research seeking to understand the biomechanical properties of this remarkable material. Unlocking the secrets of this biopolymer could have profound implications for materials science. Imagine creating self-assembling, pressure-resistant materials inspired by the Larvacean's mucus. The deep sea continues to be a natural laboratory for discovering novel biological solutions to extreme engineering challenges. When the Larvacean abandons its clogged house, it doesn't simply disappear. These discarded structures, often referred to as snot bombs, begin a rapid descent to the seafloor. This process is far more significant than it might seem, playing a crucial role in one of Earth's most important biogeochemical cycles. These sinking houses carry massive amounts of organic carbon from the upper ocean to the deep abyss. They act as efficient carbon transporters, effectively sequestering carbon from the atmosphere and surface waters into the deep ocean and eventually the seafloor sediments. This process is known as the biological carbon pump. The Larvaceans' contribution to this pump is immense. They move more carbon than almost any other single species in the ocean, making them unsung heroes in the global carbon cycle. Without them, a significant portion of carbon would remain in the upper ocean, potentially impacting atmospheric CO2 levels. Visualizing time-lapse footage of these houses snowing down to the abyss reveals a constant, silent rain of carbon. These snot bombs are also the primary food source for many deep-sea floor dwellers, providing a concentrated burst of nutrients to organisms living in an otherwise food-scarce environment. The Larvacean stands as a profound testament to the diversity of life's solutions. This creature proves that biological complexity and sophisticated engineering do not require a rigid skeleton or a complex brain. Instead, it masterfully utilizes the very environment, the pressure, the fluid dynamics, and the available organic matter, as its building blocks and operational parameters. Its existence challenges our anthropocentric views of intelligence and design. Here is an organism, a chordate like us, making Larvaceans our closest non-vertebrate relatives, that achieves monumental feats of construction and ecological impact through elegant simplicity and rapid renewal. It's a living example of evolutionary optimization. If the Larvaceans were to disappear, the consequences for the ocean would be catastrophic. The ocean's ability to breathe carbon, to regulate its chemistry and climate, would be severely crippled. This seemingly fragile monster of the deep is, in fact, one of the vital lungs of our planet, silently working to maintain global balance. Their rapid house construction and abandonment also highlight the dynamic nature of deep-sea ecosystems. What we once perceived as static and unchanging is, in reality, a vibrant, constantly evolving landscape of biological processes and interactions. We once thought the deep ocean was a desolate, barren desert, devoid of significant life or activity. Now, through advanced research and innovative technologies, we are discovering that it is a bustling industrial zone, teeming with extraordinary biological machines we are only just beginning to understand. The Larvacean is but one spectacular example. Every dive, every new observation reveals more layers of complexity and wonder. The deep sea is a frontier of scientific discovery, holding countless secrets about life's resilience, adaptation, and interconnectedness. It reminds us that the most profound lessons often come from the most unexpected places. As we continue to look closer at the Larvacean's ephemeral house, we are not just seeing a marvel of mucus and fluid dynamics. We are seeing shadows of things much larger, much older, and perhaps even more mysterious. Things that don't just build houses, but entire reefs of bone and shadow, shaping the very geology of our planet. The deep ocean is a realm of endless fascination, a place where the boundaries of life are constantly being redefined. Join us in supporting the research that unveils these hidden wonders. Explore the scientific papers, watch the documentaries, and share the story of the ghost architect. The more we understand these incredible creatures, the better equipped we are to protect the fragile balance of our blue planet. What other secrets lie hidden in the abyss, waiting for us to discover? Sound deep, resonant groan of shifting tectonic plates.